Hi guys, welcome back to 4D Dig. In WWDC 2024, Apple just introduced new macOS, Sequoia. And now you can try it first with a developer beta. But first check if your Mac is compatible with macOS Sequoia here. And in this video, we will show you how to install macOS Sequoia beta on your Mac. So, let's dive right in. Before we begin, it's important to note that this macOS Sequoia beta is a pre-release version for developers. It may contain bugs and issues, so don't install it on your main Mac and create a backup of your data. You can use the built-in Time Machine feature to create a complete backup of your Mac. With our data safely backed up, let's proceed to install macOS Sequoia beta. Make sure you've signed in with your Apple ID, which is enrolled in the Apple Developer Program. If not, you can go to developer.apple.com to join it. Now, go to Software Update in Settings. Here you will see beta updates. Switch it to macOS Sequoia Developer Beta. After checking for updates, macOS 15 beta is available here. Click Upgrade now. It will take some time to download and prepare for update depending on your internet speed. Once done, your computer will restart to install updates. And you can see Apple logo with loading bar on your screen. After a few moments rebooting, you will get a time remaining thing. Now, you can log in and set up your new macOS Sequoia. That's it. If you got anything to share about this video, please do comment below and don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.